Today we got a video from Blue Line Body Cam, and the title of the video is, "Here's why you don't start a fight in front of the cops."
Here's what happens when you start fighting 10 feet away from the cops. Officers are helping a young man who's had a few too many find his way home when they suddenly hear an argument nearby.
Hey buddy, what's the police? You doing all right?
I'm good, brother.
You got a way home?
Yeah, I'm walking.
You're walking? I don't think that's safe. Let's call you an Uber.
I mean,
I tried to get dude on his phone and it was not loading.
You all right?
I'm good.
You want to go to the hospital?
No, absolutely not.
What's wrong with your Uber app? It don't work.
It's gonna work eventually, right?
That's my phone.
Stop. We got him. We got him.
Damn, what the?
Get on the ground now. You're going to jail.
I was just filming. Put your hand behind your back. I was just filming. Hey, whoa.
Put your hand behind your back. Do it now.
It's not my phone out of my hand. I was just filming. He slapped me in the face.
You knocked his phone out of his hand.
He was just slapping my shit out of my hand, bro. I know.
Roll over on your butt.
I'm sorry. 39 Central. We got 1095 at Clayton Lincoln. I'm sorry, sir.
You ain't got to apologize to me.
Count me up.
Huh?
Count me up.
In a minute. I think you're good where you're at for right now.
I was just filming. He slapped my shit out of my hand, dude. I didn't do anything, man. I didn't do anything, man. He slapped my phone out of my hand. All I did was grab my phone. How am I?
Chill out, man.
Bro.
Did you see what happened?
Yeah, he walked up to him and slapped his phone because he was trying to record Pascal. He walked up to him and slapped his phone out of his hands. And then they got in a pushing match. Huh? Yeah.
You saw it, bro. You saw it. With everything that you have, you saw it, man. Please be
Hey, the cop is on his side. He said, "Hey, this guy right here, he the one that." Okay, be easy, my guy in the pink. Be easy. You about to get let go. Don't worry about it.
Please, and this is all I did was film. I just had my phone, bro.
So I'm not intoxicated.
Huh?
I'm not intoxicated.
Yeah, but you slapped his phone out of his hand and you guys were about to fight each other. And then we try to get you to stop and you continue to do so anyway.
He punched me in the face.
Why'd you slap his phone out of his hand? Oh, you know what? I can't even ask you that question. Don't worry about it.
Hey, stop squirming around, man.
Why am I being treated
Do you want to
like
sit
a
on the curb?
perpetrator, bro?
Do you want to sit on the curb?
No, please, something.
Nice talking for a second.
You can talk to me, but it doesn't mean I have to answer you.
Dude, he's a really good kid. And yes, he made a pretty big mistake, and I mean, we all do, and he's got a really big future ahead of him. This will really hurt his future.
It won't. It doesn't even go on his record. It's a ticket.
Like, I signed my life away to fight for this country.
Oh, he's a good kid. He's a good kid. That, you know, it really doesn't. You know, he's got a big future ahead of him. You know, he didn't mean to slap his phone out of his hand, and you know, listen. We all make mistakes, and man, get the hell out of here, man. Get out of here with that, man. He's a grown man. He can handle it. He don't need nobody. He don't need an advocate to speak for him. Like, what the hell?
And this is how I'm treated with somebody. Come on, man. What did I do, bro? What did I do? What did I do to incur the wrath of Athens, bro? What did I do?
So even just over a little altercation like that, he's going to jail?
Yeah.
Really?
We can't have people fighting down here.
I get that. Y'all got to keep this up. I get it.
Yeah. Huh? Yeah. You're fighting out on the streets. It's called disorderly conduct.
Is your camera running? Please tell me. Is your body cam running?
What is he doing? What is he doing?
Going with disorderly.
He needs public income.
Is your body? Hey,
Sit on your butt.
I just asked.
Sit on your butt.
Hey. Stop!
Please what? Look, you can't come to Athens and fight on the streets, man.
He didn't fight on the street, he just knocked his phone out of his hand because he's videoing.
I have the whole thing recorded.
Oh, well, watch it then.
I don't need to watch it. I lived it.
I didn't
I was trying to ask him a question.
Just sit. Just sit. Exercise your right to
What have I done? What have I done,
You
bro?
got into a fight with another guy.
I did not do anything. I did not fight with anyone, bro.
I'm gonna help you stand up, all right, bro?
Alright. Thank you.
Yep. You'll be out in a couple hours, dude. You'll be okay. It's just a ticket. You have to bond out on a ticket.
I'm not even drunk, dude.
I didn't say you're drunk. I'm not arresting you because you're drunk. I'm arresting you because you were fighting on the street.
I got defending myself because I got punched in the mouth. I got punched in the mouth.
Can y'all back up, please?
Yeah, back up on him. Stand up, man. Pull your feet up, dude. Stand. Use your legs. There you go. Good job.
There's a knife right there.
Where's your knife?
There's a knife.
Grab the knife. Just tell me about it. Don't go for it. That's how people get hurt bad. Are you that drunk that you that?
Why are you acting stupid? There's a knife.
I'm not. Don't go for the knife.
Hey, what are you doing, bro?
Quit moving.
Stop, dude.
What are you doing? What have I done?
Stop. Stop.
What have we done, bro? What have we
You're
done?
gonna do this laying flat on the ground.
No, what have we
Sit
done,
down.
bro?
All right, sit down.
I don't even know you, bro. What have
Sit
we
down.
done?
Sit down.
What
Sit
have we
down.
done?
Sit down. Sit down.
What have
Sit
we
down.
done?
Right on. I ain't never been in no trouble.
You'll be all right. It's not that big a deal. I know going to jail is a big deal, but the charge you're getting is just a ticket.
Can I pay it there?
No, you're gonna have to go to court.
So,
But you'll get out tonight. You'll get out in like a couple hours.
We'll be
As long as you don't fight at the jail, you'll be out in a couple hours.
All right.
just wait, we'll be there in a couple hours.
I'm gonna put you over here. And I'm gonna sit you down on the ground because I don't want you to fall over or nothing.
Can I
Cause,
lean up against a truck or something, dude?
no, because it's not my truck.
What have we done?
Dude, just sit still.
Oh, no. We never even aggressed. We never even aggressed.
This is not gonna end
You
well.
not, no.
Stop.
He's got a whole different slew of charges than you do. I know you're in handcuffs, but your situation's better than his.
Why are they hurting me, bro?
Why are you sliding across
Why
the
are you
pavement?
hurting me?
Because you won't do right. I'm not hurting
Why
you.
are you hurting me for saying we never even aggressed?
Because you are sliding
Why are
across
you
the
hurting
pavement
me
trying to
for
get
saying-
away. I'm not hurting
Why are
you.
you hurting
I
me
can
for
though.
saying we
You need to
never
calm down and quit acting a fool
Okay.
and just sit here.
So,
Stop
this is so
acting
far.
like a
No,
child.
I'm not even.
You are.
I'm not. And you are so far out
You're
of
acting like a 2-year-old. Stop it. Just sit up and act like you got some kind of upbringing.
What's the bail for something like this?
He'll probably sign a piece of paper that saying he'll show up to court and they'll probably let him go for free. Yeah. If not, it's gonna be like probably less than $100.
We have never aggressed. This gentleman and I have never aggressed each other. So I don't know what
The same guy that you just said a minute ago was assaulting you.
y'all are
Do
sorry.
you forget that part? Can you sit up and act like you're an adult?
Yes.
And you're not going to try to scooch across the pavement or stand
Of
up
course, man.
or act a fool?
I'm an intelligent
Okay.
individual.
I highly doubt that right now, but
Okay, well, I understand that.
okay.
I don't know him. We
Okay,
do nothing.
cool. You've done nothing. Just sit here calmly and we'll get it all worked out. This one is special drunk.
This is special.
I'm about to put you in the van here in a couple seconds.
Hey, please come get my ass.
All right, I'm gonna help you stand up, right?
You got me. Thank you, brother. Got my stuff.
I'll get it in a second. It ain't going nowhere. We're gonna go around this way.
Yes, sir.
All right, fella, time to stand up. Pull your legs in, stand up for me. Bend your knees.
Legs stand up.
Come on.
Come on.
Let's put him in the side.
Come on, man. We are not fighting, bro.
Let me explain something to you. If you damage this van in any way, it's a felony. All right, good deal. Have a seat. Turn, watch your head.
Can I be away from him?
Yeah, he's going in his own cage.
All right, man.
You got people in this one? Put him in this one.
Slide to the other side.
I got it.
Sit your butt up on the bench for me. Okay, we'll try it again and see if we can get it the next time. You ready? Stand up. Can you stand up? Can we stand
Do you
up?
believe in God, bro?
Do we stand up?
Do you believe in
I
God?
need you to sit your butt in that seat.
Are you a Jesus
I
follower?
need you to sit your butt in that seat.
Are you a Jesus follower?
I'm not going to ask you too many more
Do
times.
you believe in God?
I'm not going to
Come
do
on,
it.
man. Now's not the time. Stand up.
No, it is
Stand
the
up.
time, bro. Like,
Get them together.
Stand up and get in the van or I'm going to put you in the van. Stop
There we
acting
go.
like a 2-year-old and stand up and get in the van.
do you believe that Jesus Christ is
Come on,
Lord
stand
of
up,
your
use your
life?
You can do this. I got faith in you. You can use your legs. You can walk.
I got faith in you.
Step up in there.
Get up.
Step up, don't.
Do you believe it?
Stand all the way up first.
Stand up. We'll go for a ride.
There you go. Stand up all the way first. There you go. Almost. There we go.
Yep.
Oh man, what a night.
Thanks.
I didn't close it.
Thanks. What? Yeah, I'll give him the address. Yep.
I didn't close it. I swear. Yes, it did.
There we go.
Both Brock and Vance were charged with disorderly conduct. Bright futures left intact.
At Blue Line Body Cam, I always
Honestly, to me, if the guy that the really drunk one, if he would have just got cuffed and like chilled out and let them sort it out, I don't think he would have caught any charges, because it all stemmed from the guy, the little preppy kid or whatever, slapping the phone out of his hand because he's trying to record. You're in public, you can record. Like, so man, people need to, I don't know, they need to watch some more videos on the amendments, man, because like, is it annoying? Yes, it could be annoying. It could be, but they're not doing anything wrong. You don't need someone's permission to record them in public and all this stuff. You're in public. There's no expectation of privacy in public. So, I mean, I think, you know, the preppy kid or whatever, he's definitely going because he started it, you know. But the other guy, he can't keep his mouth shut. Way too drunk, rolling around, trying to get out his cuffs, keep yelling. Like, yeah, you got to go too. You know what I'm saying? Hard head is going to make a soft ass. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, I think the cops did pretty decent. I give them 4 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm going to catch you in the next video.